How to remove or turn off subscription on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in today's video we will see how we can remove or turn off subscription on TikTok. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're on your home page, now navigate to bottom right corner and there is a profile icon. Tap on it. After you get in your profile page, now again tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner, and from this menu box tap on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, and at the very end under support and about section, there you'll find an option that says report a problem. Tap on it. Here under topics, scroll down a bit and there is a subscription option. Tap on it. It's gonna expand it to more. From here, tap on managing your subscription. Now under managing your subscription, there are more options, and the second one that says how can I cancel an auto renewable subscription. Tap on it. After you get to this page, you will have all the information regarding to cancel an auto renewable subscription, and it says there are two ways you can cancel your subscription. First one, on TikTok, find the specific creators community benefits page in profile and then go to purchase content and then go to subscription and then tap on cancel subscription. Or if you would like to follow the second way, you can go to your Apple App Store or Google Play and manage your subscriptions from there. So this is the way to remove a ton of subscription on TikTok, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.